Well, let's go to the phone lines, gentlemen. Let's see what calls we've got ready to throw at you. It looks like we've got Brad from Macon holding for us. Hi, Brad.
Hey.
How are you this evening?
I'm good. My daughter was parked in a parking space and somebody just backed into her car for no good reason.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, do I need to call the insurance company or do I need to call a lawyer?
Well, Brad, can I ask you a question? Well, it depends on what kind of coverage you've got. Which is my camera? If you've got full, certainly you always notify your insurance carrier. That's a safe thing to do, no matter what the damage is. If it was the other party's fault, you still need to notify your own insurance company. If you've got collision insurance, that would cover. But you want to put your company on notice and the other company on notice. And if it's only a property damage claim, in the past, you really couldn't get legal representation because a lawyer who does trial work and works on cases that involve damages from a plaintiff's perspective, most of us do it on a contingent fee basis. And that starts anywhere from 25%, 33 to 30%, up to 40%. So if you've got a situation where your automobile has been damaged, regardless of the extent, in the past, you couldn't give up a third of it to a lawyer to handle it for you because that would defeat what you're trying to do. That has changed. I'm happy to report that our General Assembly, in its infinite wisdom, has passed a series of statutes that now make it possible for somebody to get representation where there's only property damage involved in the collision. And that means that you can have somebody write a letter, you go out and work up what's the damage to your vehicle for you for almost nothing. And if they don't pay it, and your letter has the right language in it, then the insurance company would be liable not only for the amount of your property damage, but an additional 50% of whatever the verdict is, or $5,000 for bad faith. So you can get representation now, even on a fender bender that involves just your property damage.
So I'm sure a very common situation we see a lot of.